To turn Safe Search mode off on mobile, you can follow these steps. On Android, open the Google app. Tap your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Tap Settings. Tap Safe Search. Select Off. On iOS, open the Google app. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap Settings. Tap Safe Search. Select Off. Note, if you are using a managed device, your Safe Search setting may be locked. To change your Safe Search setting, you will need to contact your administrator. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when turning off Safe Search mode. Turning off Safe Search mode will allow you to see explicit results in your Google search results. If you are concerned about your children seeing explicit content, you can enable Safe Search on their devices. You can also use a different search engine that offers Safe Search, such as Bing or DuckDuckGo. Here are some tips for using Google Search without Safe Search mode. Be mindful of the terms you search for. Avoid using ambiguous terms or terms that are likely to return explicit results. Use the advanced search features to refine your results. For example, you can use the exclude field to exclude certain words or phrases from your results. Review your search results carefully before clicking on any links. If you see a result that you are not comfortable with, simply skip it. It is also important to note that turning off Safe Search mode will not prevent you from seeing explicit content on other websites. If you are concerned about seeing explicit content on other websites, you can use a parental control app or browser extension.